Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Robothought Zero to Hero series Python machine learning on the edge, that is using Jetson Nano. Alright guys, we are on lesson number 44. We have come a long way guys, and still there are a lot more to go. We are going to do a lot of machine learning projects and AI and stuff like that using Jetson Nano. So all this series of learning several open source Python libraries is just one step guys. So be patient, keep learning, keep practicing, keep practicing. Alright guys, in lesson number 44, we are still on MatPlotLib, and I'm going to show you how to create multiple lines using MatPlotLib, right? So in all the previous videos, I showed you using single line and extracting the data and creating a visualized output using a single line chart. Now I'm going to show you how we can create a multiple line charts, right? So basically using the plt.plot function, the Python function within MatPlotLib library. Alright, so how do we do that? Alright guys, I am going to log into my Jetson Nano, and I am already logged in, I guess. I hope so. Let us see. Alright, there you go. So I am into my IDE, the Visual Studio IDE, and let's write a few lines of Python code and call in for our multi-line functions. Alright, how do we begin? We need to import matplot library, and there you go, you got it in the drop down. Dot pyplot as this is gonna throw up some error if I don't clear up what is that? Pyplot as plt. Alright, space, enter, and then we need to import our number pi, which is numpy, numpy, numpy as np. Alright, and then space, enter. Now what we need to do, we need to create array. So let's create two different inputs, that is y1 and y2, something like that. So you say y1 equals y1's dot maybe np dot numpy. No, this is not going to work. Np dot array. Yes, np dot array. The good part of the Visual Studio IDE and the Python interpreter, what we compiled together for Python 3 and with the libraries, as and when you start typing your code, it predicts. That's your JSON file basically. I'm going to talk about JSON stuff like that at a later stage. Is going to predict what exactly you want, and it shows in the bottom in the drop down, and you can just select. That's the most easy way guys, and it's fun. Dot array and a curly bracket and a square bracket for the array, and let's say some numbers 3, 8, 1 and 10. Alright, now come out of that bracket, let's create y2 equals np dot array, and then a curly bracket and a square bracket, and let's say 6, 2, 7, say 11. I'm just throwing some random numbers guys, you may use whatever you want. Now let us plot, say plt dot plot, there you go, plt dot plot. What we are going to plot, say y1. Okay, now let's create the secondary line. So plt dot plot, say y2. This is your second one. Alright, Like this you can create multiple lines, guys. There is no limitation. You can create 100 different lines depending upon the size of your data and what you input into your array. All right, now let us show the graph. How do we Let us plot the graph. How do we plot and show? The plotting has already been done. Now we need to show it, right? So plt dot show, like this, and then we need to close the function with two curvy bracket. Now let's see how this works. Let me run Python file. I hope this works. Two lines. Yes, it should work. Run Python file in terminal. Right click, run Python file in terminal. Yep, there is no error. Yeah, as usual, the graph is hiding behind the IDE. Let me just drag it here. Why I'm not able to drag? Let me drag the screen itself. Yes, so there you go. If I drag it, this is kind of weird behavior sometimes, but can't help. We got to stick with this. Let me try to expand this. And this is our graph. Can you see this, guys? You have two different lines, right? In x-axis and the y-axis. We are able to create both the lines and show two different values. So that is how this works, guys. This is a lot of fun. I'm really enjoying. Not sure about you guys, but you got to learn all this. This is how the machine learning, step by step, using data, plotting the data, showing, visualizing the data, and then we'll get into analytics part and stuff like that. So guys, do keep practicing these lessons, and I'm gonna be back soon, very soon. Bye bye. Do give me a thumbs up.